Catalina Cervantes, and this speech will be on how to use a portable fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers can be your first line of defense in the time of need. It is important to know the types of fire extinguishers you have around your workplace or at home. There's different extinguishers available that cover different fires. We'll go over those shortly. What is important to know is to make sure that you're inspecting the fire extinguishers prior to needing them. Some of the simple steps to inspect extinguishers is to make sure that the extinguisher is fully charged, that the arrow is in the green gauge area. Second, you want to inspect the hose and make sure it's not clogged, there's no holes in it, there's no deficiencies in the hose. Third, you want to make sure the pin is in place, and that's to prevent accidental discharge of the extinguisher. After being able to inspect the extinguishers, it's important to know what fires can take place. The most common fires are the Class A, B, and C. Class A covers your wood, your paper, trash, anything that causes ash. Your B is flammable liquids such as gasoline, oil, propane, and your Class C is your electrical fires like a computer, fax machine, outlet, something like that. Okay, so most extinguishers that are available is going to be the ABC chemical extinguisher that are able to extinguish those state fires I just described. So this is the ABC. So this would be suffice for a small fire that is confined, that is in the initial stage. Most fires, if they're too large, portable extinguishers are not meant to be dealt with large fires. There's a couple of questions in the event of an emergency. There's a couple of questions you should be able to ask yourself to know if you will be able. An extinguisher can take care of your issue at hand. Some of the questions you should ask yourself is: have I alerted others in the building that there's a fire? Has someone called the fire department? Am I physically able to use the fire extinguisher? Am I safe from fires, from the toxic smoke? And do I have a clear escape plan? In the event of a fire, you want to make sure that you don't close yourself in and that you have a way to exit. So let's get started on the procedure of how to use this extinguisher once we've talked about the inspection of it and what they are for. So your first thing is, in the event of a fire, of course you want to shout you have a fire. You want to pick it up. This small extinguisher is probably going to be good for about a 3 to 5 second discharge. If there's anything greater than that, it's better for me not to try to fight it and to get out and to be safe. So you would get the extinguisher, you will pull the pin, you're going to squeeze the handle, and you're going to go in a sweeping motion at the base of a fire. With that, we remember the word pass. Pull the pin, aim the hose, squeeze the handle in a sweeping motion. That is the best way to remember how to use an extinguisher. To conclude, it's important to know that fire safety is serious, and the best way to deal with fires is to prevent them. Prevent them by taking care of any hazards that are available, that are at hand, and being prepared by inspecting your extinguishers. I hope this video has helped you, and now you know how to use an extinguisher. Thank you.